But if we get over here and have a look, you can see there's quite a lot of scale build up, and that's primarily from using bore water. What I'm going to do now is just show you what I'm going to clean it with, which is, it's glitz, but it's calcium and scale rust, which is pretty strong acid, sulfuric acid, which is probably the wrong thing to clean a window with, but you just try not to put it on the frames. But here I just got like just a normal buffing pad. These windows are pretty bad. Mainly just try and keep it on the window itself. You don't want to get it on any of the frame if you can help it, because every time it rains it will eat away at the paint. I mean, if there's scale build up on that stuff, you could use this too, but after a while sorry about the audio, it's probably because it's pretty windy. And now I've just got a wet cloth that's got water on it. What I'll do, try and clean all the excess acid off the window. It's good to use gloves, probably, and glasses when you're doing this. Possibly a mask, but I'm not breathing any in, so just want to make sure you just get all the acid off. And you just want to dry it. This is a dry one, not wet. And then I'll just some window cleaning on it. Now if you have a look at this, it's not perfect. Maybe it'd be easy to see from here. If you look from the side, there's quite a lot of scale. So if you look at this window, you can really notice the difference in the window. So virtually that's how I clean them. For years I'd been trying to scrub it and put all sorts of things on there, but it works on showers, shower screens and things like that. And for years I'd been scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing to get them clean. And then somebody showed me this, and I was like, are you serious? I'd been doing it for ages, and and it works so well. Like, and you don't need to spray a lot on, and just make sure you clean the acid off, clean the window, and then make sure that there's no residue on there, so you're not going to damage anything that's around there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe down the bottom, and push the like button. Any comments that you want to leave, just leave them down the bottom. I'm willing to answer any questions. Thank you very much.